In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Enter your current login method. Use this eye icon next to your password and this way make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!